Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a quick video, hopefully it's quick, on the e.l.f. Bite-Size eyeshadow palettes. I have two that I picked up, and one is in great condition and one is not. So I have it in two shades. The one that's in good condition, it's called Truffles. I bought these when I went to the store. I had been seeing so many videos on these and I wanted to try them. And the other one is in Cream and Sugar. So let me tell you about Cream and Sugar and why it looks like this. I got this at CVS, and hold on, let me close it. And if you could see like this part of it here, I thought it was like a sticker or something, like clear. Apparently it's like melted on. Like I couldn't open it. I still can't open this part. I was able to open the back part like this. Like how this one is. And I just couldn't. And I had my husband open it and he like cracked it open. Obviously I wasn't going to go back to return it. I think this was $4 just to go back. It's not worth it. I was shopping at CVS and I was in there for a while with a mask on, and I will take my loss. I can still use the product like this. It's not a big deal. It is what it is. So yeah. So I'm going to swatch it for you. And then I think I'll probably use the one that's broken. So this one is, again, it's Cream and Sugar. So the lighter shade is going to go first. Then the shimmery shade next to it. The two shimmery shades. So these swatched. There you go. This is the light shade, the shimmer like in the middle, the coppery shimmery one, and then the brown shade. It's really pretty. The formula is super buttery. Like the reviews that you've seen where people are talking about that the formula is nice and soft, like they're not joking. It really is. All right. And this is Truffles. So maybe I'll do this hand. Yeah, I'll do this hand. This is the dark shade. It's like a chocolate brown kind of shade. Then next to that is like a medium brown shade. And then another metallic shade. So they're super pigmented. Very soft, very creamy, which is amazing. I was swatching these the other day and I was like, oh, I was kind of impressed by that. So I like that. All right, so I'm going to go in with the Cream and Sugar one. This is kind of like what's appealing to me at the moment. I'm just grabbing an eyeshadow brush. This is an old one from Bobbi Brown. And I'm going to take that light shade and I'm just going to dust it over my lower lid up into my brow bone. I know they were pretty popular. I know I'm a little bit late on this particular eyeshadow palette. Being honest, like I was trying not to buy too much. I picked these up on Mother's Day, or no, the day before Mother's Day, because I wanted, some makeup for Mother's Day. I've been like home quarantined for a while and it was just nice to get out a little bit. Because not for nothing, but makeup is expensive. Like you can buy a couple of things and spend a ton of money. So I was trying to just save some money. All right. I don't know what brush this is. This is just a random brush. So I'm going to take this cap finally came off. This shade here, the lighter one, which is this one swatched. And I'm just going to pick it up on the brush. And I'm going to tap it onto my lower lid. That's pretty. I feel like, hold on, let me try out my finger. Oh yeah, with your finger, it applies way more like concentrated. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to blend it up. So I'm focusing it on my lower lid And then the extra, I'm just going to bring it up to like my crease. Just like that. Same thing, going with my ring finger. And then take the little bit extra kind of like just to my crease. I'm just going to take my brush and sort of blend that out. These eyeshadows are very pigmented, which is really nice, and they blend pretty good. I'm impressed. All right, then I'm gonna take a Morphe M506, and I'm gonna take this like deeper color in this particular palette. Oh dear. It's like pieces of the eyeshadow that broke are still breaking. I should be more gentle with it. Okay. And I got powder in my head. All right, let's do this. Gonna take that, and I'm just going to put it into my crease. Very light hand. And I'm gonna work it in like windshield wiper motion. Colors, they lay very nicely. They blend really good with each other, which I like. See how the crease is like developing? Yeah, that's super pretty. All right, I'm gonna put some mascara on and I'll be right back. All right, I got my mascara on. Of course, I need to stop like flinging this thing. I have it in my hand and I keep like flinging it. Essence Lash Princess Mascara, my usual. I'm just gonna add just a touch more of this shade, outer corner. All right, so I just added just a little bit more to the corners just to kind of elongate the eyes. I like it. I like the eyeshadow a lot. These are really nice. I don't think excuse me, I don't own any eyeshadows from e.l.f., I don't think. But yeah, these are really good. Like, you guys see these at the store, pick them up. I know in certain places, I think like they might be like between $3 to $4 or something. I think I paid like $4 for this. Totally worth it though. Even though this was broken, I really like this one. Yeah, I'm super impressed by it. I like it a lot. Look. That color payoff is insane. That's good. All right, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.